Easy settings, man. Right, man. Grandma. Baba. You know, just before me start the video, I see the Rasta there way. Actually, me da thought about it, me da go across the road because me didn't start the video yet. Just seen back a while ago. That's why me a shout him, you know. And he's a subscriber, we actually watch the channel. So, I don't want to talk to him a little bit. So I do it a little different.
We sick, I guess what? This is not for the people I'm afraid, you know, that tape?
Yeah, we are record.
Most of the people I'm afraid, you know, virgin. So you see what I see I do? I see I walk and do it. Use the term walk by.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm not lying, man. I'm not play thing, that's why I say
a straight walk by, man. You say, son, you have to tell them how the sun be right now.
No, them know, because them know I'm out here. Them know, man. Them know,
They
man.
don't want out here.
And I like a yes alone, the sun, them know.
The sun a
I
pipe
watch
in
your pause again now. Me born the 13th of April and you born the 13th of October. And first me I see you in person. But I told me ask you.
Yeah.
And I buck up sluts.
Me just tell them a while ago, say, yo, before me start the video a while ago, me see you, so that's why me a shout you.
Watch again now. My father born the 2nd of October.
Yeah,
Oh,
great man.
I don't know buck ups, him drop out now still, but as I
Oh
say,
my
what
word.
a joke, but when I said you say, always see where I go on and have to fame or for buck ups. I'm there so from 1979. I'm born 78, but I'm coming so in 1 year. I'm there every Cooreville song.
And you know, so I normally there in Cooreville for a whole heap of years, run a Bob Marley circle.
Alright, further road. Which way I go? Say I go?
Yeah, what me I do, I try and go through the Cooreville and corner them. So right so I just walk through here so a while ago, so I go down on the street or something.
Yeah, this is the main thing that we're thing there, you know?
Yeah.
I we are doing, I see all about on the thing that road, and I say, why not easy? One time you say I walk go. Oh, bag walk like we up them side.
Yeah man, I will do it man. Straight cross flat bridge.
Oh gosh,
all of them look a vibe there.
And I say why I say I love it so is a lot of people them afraid and things they like say. And some people never get the chance to see certain place too.
Ah
yeah.
See,
no it might come like a no man on the road of Jamaica, you know.
Nope.
No care matter.
No matter how much.
I mean, no lie them
no matter how much you live here.
Him could have been police, him could have been no matter what work him do. Man says he not gonna work me though. Me work on garbage truck, you know, go
all if a coaster bus around.
Me see some lane to the party man say never knows it exists.
Yep.
We have up on every other side work.
Because even with this now, you know say by right though.
Yeah.
And I hear something for there now.
Yeah, you say for there, you say there. Which part you mean you for
so, which part me did really? Yeah, me not tell a man, see him shot and thing on the pants different. Yeah.
So what I have a color bed too. What one is all them road, all them guys, they meet up and them they come back around here, so. They can't take that stairs and go around and meet us there. And then you have color bed, you have all color bed around from the back of you.
I tell you, I live over here for a whole heap of years, so I know how it cut.
Yeah, no. Yeah, man, respecting and give thanks.
Yeah, Godfather.
It's another original man that do again. So we there, man, there, so it's a place where, you see what I say?
Yeah, the energy right.
Yeah, man, because some people that say us are now stuck up. Because you don't really see people are very
yeah, I know, you know, maybe at the time, because down in the evening part now, you know, say more lit, because you used to buy all food at Korean shop before you burn down and them things there, you see me? Yeah, man, I tell you, there many years, man, cash flow side. You know Father P?
Yeah, man, in a cash flow, everything, man.
Father P, you know, my daddy, man.
Yeah, man, no, the good one I'm not see him surf. A long good one I'm not see man.
Surfy,
Them
Debo.
still in the area, see me?
Yeah, man.
I know Neil supposed to out here in different place and
Neil the boat, man. X, everybody the boat.
man, big.
So today I just show them exactly how Cooreville garden look.
Yeah, man, and
On
all
the
the
vibe.
feel over there, sir.
Cause it is actually a requested video here.
See it there? Alright.
See all the dolly, I see same like how you see the video.
The sun and people wonder how she do it.
That me I wonder
so
now,
she do
me
it
I go
like
ask
the
her.
sun. As hot as the sun be, she come out and do that way there. She alone.
In her son, my friend,
Aye.
it's not normal, you know. Oh, she have something in her ears.
Yeah, talk, man.
Yeah, me sure the feel.
Aye. Walk by yourself, you hear?
She up on the phone. No, me I say bless up and respect. Me I say me don't know how you first lady me ever see exercising her son. Yeah, this not normal. You're worse than me walk for your living in her son, but you are running and exercising her son. You know, you build different.
You hear me? Aye.
It's a YouTuber here. Beg you one subscribe to Jamaica Walk by here. You watch it? See it? You know me, man.
Stop going like you think your lyrics are looking at know you.
Yeah, man. Art I love my friend. That is it.
That made me Ocha. Come put us the hand and say,
I'm here for glass and hat today.
that's how I say that force. That's how I say the energy.
See it?
And the lyrics me tell you about you, man. So watch me now. Me the runner, so you're gonna see me run with the second bus stop there.
I'm going to pass you again.
Yeah, come me down there do some work on the old car with me, you know?
Alright, we're going to talk about the car to the top, see?
Alright.
I show them the feeler and take it
You
on.
can see me, man. The place been a red and yellow and green. You can see one burger in the car in the yard.
Alright.
And bumpers, you see?
What the man name again?
Kenya, my name. Kenya.
Kenya, I'm not going to figure that.
Alright, respect
That
you,
is
man.
it. Outside. Big up to Kenya every time. So this is Cooreville Garden Massive. So normally live over here for a very long time with the whole Cashflow family. DJ Neil, Extreme Arts, Father P, Father and Play. Basketball here, so not really my sport. Some of the most of them on the football field over this. So this is actually the recreational center. Can say change up a little bit because I don't remember that era normally did it. The Kingston still, but everything else still remains. Yeah. This is the recreational center. So we're just gonna go right there and then turn back. I know not too much talking over there in that video. Because I show no what. I show no spot the football field there. And then we head back on the main. Bless you, bless you. So usually first right here so the ball field used to do. And change it now. Little youths them normally could have really play ball right there, so 2 goal posts them still there, the same speed, one over there another push. And then you have the big football field because this football field used to fence up, as you can see, say, fence them tear down and one thing. But this used to fence around properly secure. And you know, football match used to play, so still look like football match players, so still feeling and look like a 100 like how it normally used to be. Even though it never did really good at one point and then they fix it up and did it right here, but this is what it look like right now. A mad thing, so let's continue the journey. Alright, so we are going right back on the main and we are going to take it on the boulevards in. So for everybody who don't know, Cooreville Garden is a scheme that located on the Washington Boulevard scene. That's out there in 6 Mile across from Duane Park. You will find this scheme. Been here for quite a while. You can call it this scheme then at the heart of Kingston because everything pretty much is nearby. Cool. Yeah, very nice place to live. I've been here for many years and I don't think I've ever been here and something happened over this scheme. Only thing we can tell her that happened over here is that a few cars get thief because as you can see most of the cars the car them would have dip on the street, but it is not very easy to do that because it's pretty much just one way in. You know what I mean? Yeah, and the place is different, you know, where you know everybody have them CCTV and majority of people them actually have them live feed on them house. They can run in past somebody yard without them knowing. Whereas if when them park them car nowadays and them move, a man know right away as in car move. I don't know motion detection and all them things there, so they get them the alert on your phones. A whole heap of things put into place right now, so I don't hear about none of them things like that over here again, which is great. Still you can see some of my pothole them, foundation pothole them still there. No matter how much time them patch them still there. Yeah. Alright, so we are going to take a walk by the rising building them to walk this side. That way we can better see the place. And we can try our best not to double up. Kenya! Hey. Fire, what go on? Blessed, you know. Yeah. Oh yeah, see 200, I want beast. Here I'm born really, man, a beast.
I could have do at the time.
You know, say me turn from far and know say yes, so without could I even imagine say if I just see yellow and the green, man, and the red. Here the fire and the blood, man.
Eh? See the man who painted. I see the man who I fix things in that. You see him now?
Yeah. Fire look like him not too up on the camera thing. So you see how me have to do it on that style. How me just look on his face and know say
because I can see lineage now. One ear sign, you know. So him a Bob Marley lineage, you know. So you see him now for him thing, you know.
Yeah, but Bob Marley then live for the camera, you know what I mean? I make them great, you know.
Bob Marley at that time, I say, boy, not gonna check.
Look good now, man. Beast mode today.
Change out aisle and hope you can go on.
That's services.
Yeah, no, I change this.
Madam boy.
This have to change because this thing have the back up.
Yeah, see the mango time in Jamaica, no massive with them, man. Be a free mango everywhere you're going out, hear me?
No, I sell them to say they don't, but the people put price on them.
Yeah, you don't know Kenya.
Yeah, man, slowly but surely.
I love, man.
Every time, man.
So me I say, man, has a respect. Respect for your support and I watch your thing.
You know that because, watch now, and I'm telling you what I say this now. Remember I saying, and you tell me what I see. I love what I'm going to say, because you catch up and say, yeah, man, she's up there already. Because as I
mean, I introduce her to it and she have it already.
Yeah, because I tell you, say, thing makes sense, bloods and the lyrics. If it never makes sense, we'll just pass you. I will have people do the thing, you know. Everybody have different interests.
Yeah.
So two of them things they would want to do and learn and know the place.
But you know, say, even with Cooreville, a whole heap of people asking for the Cooreville, you know. But me just say, me always say,
see, I'll push it too. The son never push for it too. Kush, come in, man, walk by here.
Kush look like dancer.
That him want like a dancing dynamite thing.
On the sea, he just look like a dancer.
You got the next gas done? Next. Oh, you put that so.
Oh yeah. I hear you.
Yeah.
Are you son?
Yeah, but man move like him at the moon, kind man reach out yet.
What a name you give him? Kush. Yeah. It's a high chance name you give. Yeah, big up yourself, man. Touch it, man.
Yeah, he might be upon the thing in the YouTube.
A Jamaica walk by YouTube.
Tell them who he is, can tell same thing I know. Tell them who he is.
If I say daddy, I say watch your thing. I say
when name?
Jamaica.
Big up and respect, you know. You know about TikTok? Where your TikTok name go? Nobody say remember you know. Because you're definitely a use it.
You know what nobody know. You say wait, I am not. Mafia thing, man.
Big up yourself, Kush. Kenya,
yeah,
heart of love, man. Keep on safe. Nah, stop. We are show the people them a vibe and show them where people live in Jamaica.
And everybody, and some of them, I do the drive by, you do the walk by. I tell you, it's important.
Walk, we slow it down.
Oh gosh.
Because sometimes when you drive, you move too fast.
Oh gosh, man. Seriously,
yeah, you have to slow it down so they can read. Hey,
I know say serious, you know.
Yeah, me drive enough.
I never know that walk it so.
I say me drive enough place, and when me walk, he come like me and say, but me really I see it now. Yeah, drive past. And Bob Marley saying alcohol make you drunk. You don't realize it, so they have to slow it down. Take a time for yourself. Man. So yeah, man, pick up the page of Kenya. Great to meet people where actually watch each other and support the movement. So me I say, no joke, no doubt, man. Yeah. This was carrying cook shop and burned down. Yes, I'm used to buy all of my food, fried chicken and fries and everything, brother. Burned down to the ground. So sad. But when this happened, it hurt me. Good evening. Can I get a water, friend? How much is it? Yeah, Kali? man. Oh, good afternoon. You know, say me bar one of your bins to throw this in the door. The garbage, I don't want litter. I don't can throw it. Plastic bag, yeah, plastic bag. Oh, it's not correct right now?
Yes.
Look at that. Oh, see, blessed man. Here, look how work that. That's Christ. That's what I realize. Here, remember me? See me give you a thing. Oh, you not see too well?
No, I not good.
Oh, you not?
That's why you don't see Kane.
Oh.
Try to navigate and listen by sound.
Come here, try to give and realize you're not even see a little piece of change.
No, them would not. More than fetch it by anybody see that they don't come like push and put and them move to it. That's how if me I walk now and something you do on the ground with those power values.
Ah, Jaja. I big up yourself and go and do it. I better you do this and walk and beg, yeah?
I come from airport to JPS to backside and go full on backside of the contractor. Hydraulic would burst and mash up the retina and you never know. I go doctor, I'm trying to do a brain scan.
Oh.
So that's realized. So all I see is black and white mini for 15 years now. Them say one surgery did for them, I lift the head skull and try to get behind which part them say could be a brain tumor. But I'm saying that the process of surgery, you can, when you after the surgery, it can rupture the spinal cord and might see, or might paralyze, or might not see and paralyze. So, you know what go wrong.
Yes, but make it turn and can move. Oh, but see, grandma look like she collect them for you. She save them up so when you forward you can get them.
Yeah, man, do that for me. We can't afford for this last one, you know.
She want woman just
She make one
bag after me from with me.
Can't afford for the last,
And
you remember that?
there is a bag. And you know where she came from? Portmore.
Portmore.
Must over more and Portmore she go over.
I walk me never have no phone.
And she
see
see me.
And you know, so one virgin look for me and pitifully sorry.
And here.
Sips it to me and then there's a woman go around at the shop and the lady says she get bangers. The upgrade bangers. Because my bangers them are really cheap.
You can hear them cut off the banger, you hold the bangers them.
Virgin push out a 5 grand and another woman put a grand trade.
Get the heart of love now, man. See them big bunks upon the
So
elbow.
no man, respect you man.
Now take it easy and go and do it, man. We are past through.
And many more, me know I bet
What the man name?
Ziggy.
Ziggy, big up yourself. Grandma, what's your name? Miss Jean. Yeah. A Fabian, my name, you know? Fabian.
Me have a virgin. He said when we used to the airport back in the day, when I'm best friend from Kingston guard named Fabian Beverly. He becomes a fireman, but I don't really migrate.
Oh.
In there on Kingston Gardens, you know, around to Wildman Street in Amigo.
You know the place they do.
Banana boat.
Yeah, him a go on, man.
Yeah, man.
Wanna take it easy, man. A heart of love here. Take it easy, man.
I want to multiply more of you.
Yeah, man. How you say, man? Don't worry yourself, man. God is good all the time and all the time. God is good. Don't worry yourself, man. That's good, man. All right. Miss Jane, take it easy. Yeah, I would have turned up and chat to him for the whole day, but I tell you, say, sun hot. And I have somewhere else I want to go, so I have to move through. But them stories, them I always just love to listen them story there, you know what I mean? Swear it here. But time is against me, I want to finish showcase in Cooreville. I'm done tell myself from this, you know, so to them I just want to walk through, not really much communication and thing, but the Lord make me have to stop and talk to some good people, you know? Yeah. Good evening. Greetings, greetings. Man them. Man. Good evening, good evening. Man, I say. Good afternoon. This is the one I wanted to make. Man, I see. You alright? You alright? What we got trouble for? Bag you, bud. Jeez. Yeah, me not have so much.
Alright, tap.
Alright, big up yourself. Why you're still full of chat though? Hey, listen, we don't got trouble, we don't got dead time there, I don't so stay, you know. You ever want something, if I want juice or I want food. Yeah. Just give me your gut, man, and just go on. You can't come up and talk to him out now because his mouth sweet and fair. Remember, me tell you, don't play this. Much as you see it, so. Yeah, man, go on. Good afternoon. Blessed. Yeah, massive big up and respect, man. Thank you so much for watching. That has been another video on Jamaica walk by. Yeah, that has been Cooreville Gardens. You know what I mean? Big up to all that Kingston 13 massive them. No joke, no doubt. So right where we began, you understand? So big up to all my members. You don't know my dieted members. You know what I mean? We support Jamaica Walk by subscribing for members. Membership, you don't know, it's just $1 per month. You know what I mean? Yeah. Mad love. Good evening, mommy. Mad love, mad respect to each and every single one of you. Big up to all my subscribers who actually watch Jamaica Walk by day in, day out. I super appreciate you. None of them don't go and notice. You hear that? Big up to everybody where normally they on the video them in the chat section. You see me, I say super duper appreciate you. You see? Yes man, no joke, no doubt. Blessings and love to everybody. If you are watching you're there in the chat, mad love, mad respect. Continue support Jamaica Walk by. You see? All my subscribers and persons on the channel to who for name me never call. You know what I mean? You're no least important. You see me? One love to everybody. That is it. No joke, no doubt. So across the road is Duane Park, right? And across from Duane Park you will have the Cooreville Gardens. You see? This one dollar track across the road. You see? But it's a vibe, it's an energy, no joke, no doubt, and think. Big up again. One love. Stay tuned and watch the other videos. If you watch a video and you're not yet like the video, please may I ask if you like it right now. And if you're not subscribed, do. Please subscribe to the thing. See? Mad love, mad respect. I'm out.